In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Trust Ledger report in Clio Manage. To get started, log into your Clio Manage account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your main dashboard where you can access the tools and reporting options you need. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Reports. This is where Clio Manage stores a wide range of reporting tools, including financial and trust-related reports. After the Reports page opens, locate the Trust Transaction Report and click Preview. This will open the report so you can begin customizing it based on the information you want to see. Next, click Filters. This is an important step because it lets you narrow the report down to the exact trust data you need. You can choose a specific trust account, client, matter, date range, or other available criteria. Taking a moment to apply the right filters can make your report much easier to read and more useful for reviewing transactions or preparing records. After that, click Columns to control which details appear in the report. Here, you can add information, remove fields you don't need, or rearrange the order of the columns. This is especially helpful if you want the report to match your preferred layout or highlight the details that matter most. If you'd like to organize the report further, click Groups. Grouping allows you to sort the report by trust account, client, or another available field. This can make larger reports easier to review, especially when you're working with multiple matters or accounts. Once your report is set up, review the Summary section. This area gives you a quick overview of the total funds in and funds out, helping you confirm trust activity at a glance before looking more closely at the full ledger. Then review the transaction list itself. This section shows the detailed ledger activity, including trust deposits, withdrawals, transfers, running balances, and other important transaction details. Take your time here to make sure the report reflects exactly what you need. When you're finished, click Export to download the report. If you plan to use the same setup again later, you can also click Save Report View to save your customized report settings for future use. That can save time and help keep your reporting consistent. Thanks for watching.